Hello YouTube fam. Here we got my next install. It is, I forget the year. What the hell year was this? It's a Chrysler 300 with the big boy, well, with the Hemi in it. Low mile, super clean car. It's a friend of mine's. Yeah, I'm putting 212s in it. I got to do a little bit of work to the stereo. It's not installed correctly. I got to get the steering wheel controls going in it. So what we're gonna have fun with this one though, because look at all this room I don't have to run wire back, to run this hog leg back. It's gonna be pretty fun. So I was going to purchase some welding cable to run on some of these vehicles with no room on them to put the amp wire through the floorboard and down the kick panel. I was going to get welding cable, and I can't remember the name it's called, but you could run it out. It's weatherproof, you know, run it outside, tie it up real good. I do it on my Dakota. If y'all know follow me on TikTok, you'll see my setup there. But where the hell is the trunk button? But we're doing, what the hell? 212s in this old girl. I gotta fabricate a little bit because these two humps right here stick the box up. That's going in there. This is a Q-bomb. It's a pretty good box for the money, man. A lot of people have their pluses, you know, or good things to say, bad things to say. You know how the world of the internet is. Anywho, I am gonna put a set of these up. Oh boy. Oh. Let me get these old girls out. They're pretty stout. These ground zeros. These are which ones are? These are the same ones I used to have in my Kia, my Sportage. And they ain't no joke for the price of these speakers. Hold on, people. Let me set my phone down. I gotta get camera equipment. Hold on. So these are the ones right below they're right below the hydrogens. 800 watts RMS. Two of them are going in that Q-bomb. Let me tell you something. Check out my TikTok. I'll leave the link in this video description down below, but my Sportage was no joke with these 212s. And then it's getting wired. Where did the amp go? Zapco. Hold on there. Here we go again. I need to get some camera equipment. Feel free to donate to me. I'm just starting out. I need some camera equipment. Help a brother out. This is the ST1650 RMS. There's a video on YouTube somewhere with that amplifier on a dyno, and it does about 1700 RMS. So it's got a little bit of headroom for those 212s. It's good. It hits them really hard, really good. But like, subscribe, and there'll be more to come, man. It's petty right now. I just don't have the camera equipment. I got to start making some money on YouTube. So I need some people. I need some followers. I've been doing this YouTube thing for a long time, and I paid for it. I just never got into doing it to make money. And yeah, thank you very much. Y'all have a great one. And don't forget to hit that like and hit that subscribe. Later.